Now let's talk about the benefits of Abhyanga, because this simple practice offers such wide-reaching support for the postpartum body. Through consistent nourishing touch, Abhyanga can help to strengthen the immune system and encourage deeper, more restful sleep, both of which are so essential during this time. It supports the building of energy, strength, and vitality, what Ayurveda refers to as ojas, our core reserve of resilience and nourishment. Abhyanga is especially powerful for balancing Vata dosha, helping to reduce feelings of stress, anxiety, and overwhelm that can naturally arise during the postpartum period. It also supports healthy lactation while helping to maintain optimal body chemistry, including hormonal balance as the body recalibrates after birth. Physically, this practice helps to improve circulation and gently reduce common postpartum symptoms like swelling. It also can help to ease stiffness, fatigue, and numbness in the body while offering relief for back pain, and even sciatica. With regular practice, Abhyanga helps to tone and nourish the tissues, supporting overall strength and recovery. It also plays a role in supporting digestion, encouraging a healthy appetite, strong digestion, and balanced elimination while helping the body to naturally remove toxins and deliver nutrients more effectively deep into the tissues. There are even more subtle benefits like supporting longevity, slowing the aging process, and creating a deeper sense of connection within the body. And something as simple as a foot massage within Abhyanga can have a deeply grounding and even revitalizing effect. Overall, Abhyanga is a deeply restorative practice that supports the body on every level, helping a new mother to feel more nourished, more balanced, and more at home in her body during this transformative time.